In this video, we'll be reviewing the Shark Pocket Mop Steam Cleaner. Okay, so got some pets in the house and have the laminated wood flooring. And of course, they don't mix well sometimes. So, been mopping and I don't particularly like the way a regular mop works on these floors. So I wanted to give one of these a try, the Shark Steam Pocket Mop. I've used the Swiffer and it works pretty good, but you're constantly having to change out the disposable cloths, cleanup cloths. So I thought I'd give this a try. So in this video we'll be unboxing, assembling, using, and giving you my thoughts on the Shark cleaner. Okay, so first of all, I see there's an owner's guide. That's always handy to have. And it comes with one washable cloth. Like the handle. Oh, looky there. Correction, it comes with a spare cloth and one already attached. Okay, so it looks like we need to assemble it. Okay, the first warning I see right here is use only water in here, and it says distilled water is recommended. Again, from other reviews I've read, it sounds like it's a good idea to use distilled water. So in this video I will use probably regular water, at least for this time, because I didn't think to pick up some distilled water. And I have used other Shark products before as well, and I've been extremely happy with the results of them. If I got that. Go. Well, that's simple enough. And it comes with a measuring cup to pour the water into, and then we'll pour it in here. A couple of quick notes right off the top, a couple of thoughts right off the top of my head. It's got a really long cord on it, which is very nice. The tank being made into the system like that, it'd probably be better if it was one that you could pull out like most steam cleaners, fill it and then put it back in. But there it is in there. So I will go fill this up and pour it in there and we'll give it a try. Perfect. Now let's go try it on the floor. Okay, next we will go over with the Swiffer. And picked up a little bit, not a whole lot. Oh, has a convenient adjuster right here. So you can adjust the height accordingly. Okay. I gotta say I kind of like this. Okay, so one important note. You gotta lean it up against something. Okay, pump for steam, you just simply push it. That's as far as it goes, and it steams each time. It's pretty much instant. And this adjusts the height. I'm gonna go ahead and lower it back down to hang it on the wall. And gonna wrap the cord around right here. So there's my quick unboxing and putting together the Shark Steam Pocket Mop Hard Floor Cleaner with Swivel Steering XL Water Tank, model S3501. So far I kind of like it. The tank, I cleaned my living room, dining room, and kitchen. The tank held out for that entire amount, which was pretty much when the cleaning cloth was done. So it worked. I thought maybe the tank might be a little bit too small, but it's just fine. So I'm pretty happy with it. Shark products are usually pretty solid, so this is a keeper. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.